What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing a polisher I just bought. It's a MaxShine polisher. And unfortunately I don't have my tripod, so this is the best angle I can get for you guys. But we're going to do some unboxing now. I don't remember what the MaxShine polisher is called. I just know it's like the cheapest DA polisher you can buy that's actually like decent. Ooh. See what I got in the box. This thing's kind of heavy. Made in China. That's good to know. Okay, so you guys can see what it is, right? It's a nice polisher. MaxShine or Shine Master. You guys know, for all the detailers. Okay, let's see this bad boy. Oh wow. They give you a lot more than I thought they were gonna give you. Oh, I got a bag. Check that out. Nice little Shine Master bag, that's awesome. Okay, and here's the polisher itself. It's heavy. Put it off to the side. And this is the polisher, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this. Definitely feels like a really good quality. This thing is heavy, actually. Holy crap. Okay, so yeah, you just click this and it turns off. And then the speed's down here. Yeah, it's awesome. Let's see what's in the bag, actually. Probably just the yep, it's just a backing plate for it's a 5-inch backing plate. I'm glad I came with one of these because I need one of these to do this stuff. I've never held a polisher before in my life. Okay. Register your tools. Does it come with like a... Oh, it's a 6-month warranty. Okay, I'll have to register this in case it blows up. Because it is made from China. And it's just an instruction manual of how to put everything on, but... Yeah, we'll get it put together, I guess. Oh god, what is this? No idea what these are. I don't even know why I have to... Do I have to put these in or something? I guess I have to look at the instructions now. Okay, it does not tell you what these are, but I'm assuming it's some kind of like fuses for like in case it breaks or something and you can take it apart and whatnot. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this together. Oh, I like how it stands up straight like this too. That's gonna be nice. So I can set it down. So I think all I do is just go like... Okay, that's not what you do actually. Like... Okay, I don't know what any of this is for. Well, we're gonna find out. Oh, that's for the handle, okay. Okay, well guys, thanks for watching.